Trust me on this one. Put cooking oil in your toilet bowl for your next Sunday reset. It sounds a little strange, but it creates a barrier that keeps stains from sticking, meaning you'll barely ever have to scrub again. Stop scrubbing your toilet every single week and do this instead. Adding a little cooking oil to your cleaning routine sounds crazy, but it's the ultimate hack to stop stains before they even start. It cuts your cleaning time in half and saves you so much money. And if you really want to lock in that fresh, high-end hotel feel, spray a light mist of this solution onto your toilet brush holder before putting the brush away. It prevents any stale odors from trapping in the container and ensures that every single corner of your space stays smelling absolutely amazing. Let's make it. Grab a large bowl and add 1 full capful of fabric softener. Next, drop in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now slowly pour in 1 cup of white vinegar. Don't worry about the fizz. That bubbling reaction means the ingredients are activating. By the way, comment below with your city. I love seeing where you're all watching from. Next, add 1 cup of water to balance the consistency, so it sprays evenly without streaking, while keeping its full cleaning strength. Stir it slowly until it's completely smooth. Now for the secret ingredient, add 2 tablespoons of any cooking oil. Stir it completely until it's fully blended and there's no separation. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a clean spray bottle. Seal it tight and give it a good shake. Drop a yes in the comments if you're trying this. Here's how it works. Spray the solution all over the inside of your toilet bowl, right under the rim. Let it sit for just 60 seconds. Then do a quick scrub with your brush. The buildup lifts instantly, and the fabric softener leaves your whole bathroom smelling amazing. Here is why the oil is pure magic. It leaves behind an invisible, ultra-thin protective barrier on the ceramic. It makes the surface hydrophobic, so water stains and grime slide right off with every flush instead of sticking. Your toilet stays spotless for weeks. Rate this hack from 0 to 10 in the comments. Share this video with a friend, and follow for more daily home hacks. And if you want to take this bathroom reset to the absolute next level, don't just stop at the inside of the toilet bowl. Take that exact same spray and use it to wipe down the outer base, the tank, and the flush handle. The protective layer works on the entire porcelain fixture to completely repel dust, hair, and lint, keeping the whole unit looking completely pristine, polished and high-end between your deep cleans. It completely changes the game for your weekly routine. You'll notice the difference on the very first flush, because water will literally bead up and roll right down the drain, leaving absolutely nothing behind but a spotless shine and a premium, fresh scent that lingers for days. You will honestly never have to buy expensive, harsh chemical cleaners again. It saves your time, saves your money, and keeps your space looking immaculate with half the effort. Give this a try on your next deep clean routine. It completely changes the game for your bathroom reset by keeping your space looking immaculate with half the effort, saving you so much money on expensive products, and leaving behind a beautiful, high-end scent that actually lasts for days.